Well, hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, come a little bit to a different place today, about 10 miles from home. Never been here before. It's called Chobham Common. It's a lovely place. I've just had a little look around, and yeah, it's well out of the way here. Very nice. So today we've got Maggie, the NSU Quickly. I thought we'd take this one for a run today. I'll show you briefly around. Right, there's Maggie, named after my grandmother. Now this is it's a nice, lovely bike to ride, but it's a bit awkward, just like my dear late grandmother. So it's a little tribute to her. As you know, I restored this one. The engine had new bearings in and everything, lots of replacement parts, but unfortunately very expensive parts. So I do want to sort of hang on to this one. So it's very awkward. I did have trouble with the throttle, that it just didn't tick over, but I've managed to get sort of an extra adjuster in there now, so that does tick over. You've got the front brake here. This is the decompression cable, and then you've got the clutch here, and then you can just turn that. It's only a 2-gear one, but yeah, see, one into neutral there. And to brake, as I say, you've got the front brake here, and down here you have to pedal backwards. We come around this way a bit. You've got this bar here, so you pedal backwards, and that brings on the rear brake down there, which takes some getting used to. Right, so there we go. So should we go out for a little run on it now? Okay, so off we go. Just adjust this mirror a bit. Well, this is oh, that's gone loose, isn't it? Good, that's good, never mind. Chobham Common, let's see, off we go. And so this is a nice bike on a straight run. Not so nice going down the high street where people stopping and starting every 5 minutes. It does have quite a bit of torque, this one. And Chobham Common is a bit of a funny place. This is where Carry On Cowboy was filmed, amongst others, with the stagecoach going across the common with pretend dust coming out the back, smoke. Well, this mirror's given up, never mind. This is called Staple Hill Road, coming up now to the junction, which is the Windsor Road. Now I'm going to go down a little lane in a moment, which I looked up on Google Maps. hand up the hill. And there should be a nice little road, hopefully away from other cars, called Chestnut Lane, hopefully, on the left. There we are, that's a bit better off the beaten track, isn't it? Need first gear. We do. Here we go, cars already. This is what I prefer, the little roads. Not when you've got cars up your backside all the way. Very nice out here. I've never actually been here. It's not far from home. Right. Back down there again. Very nice round here. Little potholes everywhere. Don't forget it's still Surrey. Could be worse. Staple Hill Road, I think, I hope. Yes, it is. Well, I hope you did enjoy that little run today. It was a bit hairy towards the end there, where it started cutting out. I thought, oh God, don't tell me I've got to walk back in this weather. But no, it was just, I put it onto reserve. It was okay. It was just running low on fuel. So I hope you did enjoy this little run out with the NSU Quickie today, Maggie. And next week will be slightly different. We're actually going to the Periwinkle run, which is up in Stevenage way. So and there I shall be meeting Danny from Moped Land Spares, first time ever. So that'll be nice. So until next time, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.